Before going to Azure Web Apps, I will show you the subscription. So I was subscribed to the free trial, so which has 13,300 of credit limit. So I can make use of the resource in Azure with the limit of 13,300. So I will show you how to create a Azure Web Apps. So before creating any resource, we have to create a resource group. So which holds all the resources inside it. So click on add. So by default it has selected the free trial subscription. The resource group name as just give us so it should not have a space in between. So let us remove the space. Okay. So as of now, we will make use of the US East. Click on review and create. So the validation is Paas. Just click on create. So you can see the notification over here. Creating resource group Azure Paas developer group in a subscription free trial is succeeded. So now we are going to make use of this Azure Paas developer group in order to create the Azure web apps. So in a resource, try search for web app. So you will find several web app. Okay, so we have to click on the web app. So as I told you, right, this is an app serving web apps. Okay, so we can deploy our source code into this web app, and so these are the applications we can deploy in the web apps: Node.js, Python, PHP, Java, Ruby.NET Core, and ASP.NET. So that is the advantage. Click on create. So we are going to choose as a group over here. So we have to specify it as okay. So here we are going to choose as ASP.4.CMA. And we are going to choose as Windows. If you see here, the operating system Linux is disabled. So if you choose the ASP.NET Core, so the Linux will get enabled. So basically the .NET Core you can deploy it in both Linux and the Windows Server. So region should be C and Windows plan. So okay, so this is the machine which the hosting the web API get deployed. So basically this is a Windows server which has the 1.75 GB memory and total 100 total ECU. Okay, probably if you, this is a standard S1 version. If you want, you can change the size. Okay, so as of now, we are not into the production, and I just don't want to waste my the credit money. Okay, probably I will look for the free one. Okay, so I will take this one. So okay, this is for me. Okay, if you see here as a shared infrastructure, which is nothing but a machine. It is here. If you see here, it is in a dedicated server which has this configuration. But if you go on for the shared infrastructure, multiple web app can be hosted in the same server. Okay, so if you see here, this is the F1 pricing tier, and it is free, and this is a D1 and B1. Eventually the prices will get increased based on the infrastructure which you choose. So I click on apply, but before apply, let us see the production and the isolated as well. As I told you, right, so this way the pricing tiers of production, and this is for the isolated. So probably I choose this one. So I click on the review and create. So these are the parameters of this particular creation. So if you see here, this is subscription ID, and this is the resource group we are going to use it, and the name of the web API, and what we're going to publish, and the runtime stack, which is nothing but the framework you are using in it, and this is a app service plan. So this is the plan, and if you see here, this is the OS we are going to use, and the region, and the pricing model, and what infrastructure you are using, and how much memory you are using it. And so application insight, which logs all your error traces, or the exceptions whichever are committing in the application. So this is the region, and again this is the name of that application insight. Let's click on create. So the deployment has been initiated. If you see here, so the web API service plan is getting deployed in this resource group. So once this get completed, or this get finished, so we can make use of this hosting space to deploy our .NET code. So this step is very similar to the all other programming language, and for ASP.NET we are using Visual Studio 2019 community version in a personal laptop. So I make use of that, and will show you how to upload code from the Visual Studio itself. So the deployment is in progress. So be patient for some time. It will get deployed, and then respective resources getting created within that. So if you see here, so this is the site we are going to deploy. Okay, so these were the insights, nothing but the application insights where the logging is happening, and this is nothing but the server form. Okay, so Okay, so that's it. So these are the steps we have done in the portal. So now we go to the the Visual Studio 2019 to show how to create an ASP.NET sample code and upload that into the web space or the web apps. Okay, so we got this. So this is the ASP.web application.NET framework. So and just so the framework of same which we do in web apps. So click on create. So so I'm going to create a new MVC project. Okay, we're going to uncheck this and click on create. So it is getting created. So before proceeding, I will show you what is the version of Visual Studio 2019. It is community version 16.7.1 Visual Studio. Okay. So in order to deploy this in the Azure, we have to connect the Azure first. So click on publish. Okay, click on Azure. Next. Apps. Okay, so click on finish. Okay, so this is the URL site URL, and now we have to the Azure has been connected with our code. The web apps Azure web app has been connected with the source code. Now we can publish this into the web app. So it has got so this got published successfully. If you see here, you can see that, and we can access that via this URL. Okay, if you see here, they have provided a unique name, a domain name, a subdomain name for our web app. So this is the page. See, you can straight away go to the view if you want. Go to index.html and we can edit this. Control and click on publish, and before the enter, try to rebuild. We will all succeeded. click on ISO. So this is getting opened in the Chromium. If you see here, we have edited this one. Okay, so I'm going to refresh this and see whether it is changing. It is not, because we are yet to deploy and deploy the latest code. Publish. Published. So refresh it. Yes. So that's it, guys. So the code got deployed, and you will cross check that. And so this is the app service plan, and this is the app service. We have to go here, and you can stop it. Okay, you stop it. Yes, I'm stopping it. Okay, now I'm trying to check it whether to stop. Just start it, and look on the, if you refresh the site, again this will get loaded.